The Seagull Who Wore Sandals by Eric Armstrong. One sunny afternoon, Skylar Seagull went for a walk. The sand was sizzling hot.
Dudes, this sand is hot. I mean hot, hot, hot.
Just then, Skylar saw a pair of sandals bobbing in the waves. Skylar laughed.
Whoa, they smell like seaweed.
Skylar tried the sandals on. They fit his flat feet just fine.
Cowabunga, look at me. I'm a cool seagull in my sandy sandals.
Skylar walked all around the beach in his fancy footwear, and the heat didn't burn his feet. Skylar saw his pal Krabby sitting in the shade.
Yo, dude, how do you like my sandals?
Skylar asked.
They keep me cool and comfy.
I love 'em.
Krabby told his pal.
Looking good there, Skylar.
On the boardwalk, Skylar and Krabby went for a stroll. People were surprised to see Skylar walking around in the sandals. They made a funny sound when he walked. The whap, the whap, the whap. Suddenly, one of Skylar's sandals fell off.
Cowabunga!
Skylar yelped.
My sandal slipped off. Gotta get it back on.
Then Skylar and Krabby ran into some of the other beach birds.
Check out my sandals, dudes.
Skylar said.
Pretty groovy, eh?
But they just laughed at him,
What a silly seagull!
said Sally Sandpiper.
Ha 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 ha!
What a foolish fowl!
Said Perry Pelican.
Don't pay any attention to those bird brains.
Krabby said.
Right on, dude.
Skylar agreed.
I love my sandals. They are awesome.
Later that day, Skylar saw a little boy looking at his feet.
Hey,
The boy exclaimed.
I lost a pair of sandals that look just like that. Uh-oh,
Krabby whispered.
those are his sandals, Skylar.
Whoa.
Skylar told Krabby.
I didn't think about them belonging to some other dude.
Skylar started to give back the sandals, but the little boy stopped him.
That's okay, dude. You can have them. My mom bought me a new pair.
Cool.
Skylar squawked.
It's my lucky day.
He shook his tail feathers and danced in the sand. Then they all walked down the beach together. The little boy, Krabby, and Skylar, in his sandals, of course. The whop, the whop, the whop. The end.